have our table ready.
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
You're very hungry? So we are going to that original restaurant that we said we wanted to do. I think it's called the Castleberry Restaurant. And I'm gonna go ahead and go there. Excuse us. We're gonna have some lunch. I think they have sandwiches and soups there. I think they have sandwiches and soup there. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna have for lunch. We got the mushroom soup, y'all. Looks so good. Yummy mushrooms. And my hubby, what did you get, baby?
Like wild rice.
Oh, pick up the spoon so we can see the texture. Look at that soup. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's look at what we have to eat. That soup is so good, y'all. So we have this really, really delicious mushroom soup. This stuff is so good. This is their idea of a side salad or a small salad. This is my idea of a small salad too. Yes, I'm loving this. Beautiful. Then I got, see if I get a good, I got some tuna here. Because I do eat fish, y'all. And then my husband, he got a warm turkey sandwich. And he got some soup as well. Saw his hairy werewolf arms. He has soup as well. Look how happy he is. Food makes him happy.